if you want to give a name, you can give a name. Okay. So why don't you give a name to your material? Material is also end cap welding machine, ECW, like your work center, ECW, end cap welding. Okay, just hit enter. Select all the views, click on org levels, org levels. So copy from is correct, 3000. You need to change it here also, 3000. Storage location is 0001, I guess. That's what the one we are using. Sales organization is 3000. Distribution channel is 10. No, you have to change the sales organization. That's wrong. Okay, and there is no warehouse. And on other side also, the storage location is 0001, not 0088. And we do not have warehouse. Remove the warehouse 088 and also remove storage type. Enter. Okay, so here in the basic data one, change the name. This is not the correct name. Change that name to EC or welding machine, ECW, end cap welding machine, the ECW. That's good. Now all you need to do is put your cursor here and keep hitting. Enter. Enter. Okay, next, right here. Next, enter. Enter. Since we are copying from the existing material, all that information is coming automatically from okay, enter, 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 enter. Okay, here I think batch management is on. Remove that. Okay, that's good. Again, enter, 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 enter. Okay, so alternative bomb, just remove that and remove all of this. Remove this guy. Okay, enter and enter. Save it. Okay, you created your own material. Okay, now let us create a bomb. Back to SAP Easy Access. Expand project production. Master data. Bill of material. Bills of materials. Bill of material. Material bomb. Create CS01. Okay, enter. Okay. ICT, item category, stock item, component, enter. So select the raw material 6201. How much quantity you need? 1, 3, that's good. Enter. Select the line item, go to top menu, click on go to item, click on status long text, go down and take a look at production storage location, go to drop down and default the storage location. Now go ahead and save it. Your BOM is done. So let's go back. Let's create routing. You are done with BOM. So collapse BOM. You can see routing, expand routing, expand standard routing, create. So you are creating a routing for end cap welding machine. Hit enter. Okay. BOM, the usage is number 1, which is production. And the status is always number 4, which is release general. And your lot size from 1 to 100. So to make 1 to 100 pieces, this routing is going to help you. So the next one would be operations. You have operations on top. Next to the sequence, there is an operation. Click on operations. Okay. You have one simple operation that's going to happen at work center. ECW, end cap welding machine. Just type ECW, that's the machine. I need to put the control key. PP01 is the control key. Okay. And final operation or final assembly. Enter. And you need to tell me how much time you are going to take for setup. 60 minutes, 65 minutes, machine time 500 minutes. Then next you have labor. Right here, labor 500 minutes. Okay. Now click on component allocation right here. You have only one BOM. Select that line item. Click on new assignment. Go to operations. Click on OPR-ACT. You have only one operation. Assign it there and go ahead and save it. Okay. You need that number, your routing number, 5000, 2000. Okay. I got it. You need 5000, 2000. Okay. So go back and try to create production version. So you can do it in MM02. MM02, you don't need a /n because you're already on SVP Easy Access. That's your material. Select only work scheduling view. Only work scheduling view. Deselect everything first because everything is selected. So only work scheduling view. Hit enter. Change that to 3000. Enter. Click on production versions. Version number 1. Text version 1. Valid from today. To another year. No, this has to be 15. Okay, put your lot size. 1 to, no, that's wrong. 1 to 100. Your lot size is from 1, not doing things right. This is the lot size. From 1 to 100. And your task list. Routing. Routing. Your group is 5,000, 2,000. Your number is 1, counter number 1, first one. Alternative bomb. Go to drop down at alternative bomb. Select that. Check it up. Check. Check. Right here. Close it. You see that green light? The details, do you see? The green light? You didn't see the green light. So details. So you canceled it. Okay. Routing. You need to check this. After checking, don't close this. This is cancelled. Close here. Then you see green light, green light. Then continue. Then continue. Then save it. Okay. So you are done with everything. Good. Good job. So you do not have stock. You do not have requirements either. So let's go and put a requirement for you. So we'll go and put a requirement. This is your material. Let's see what type of planning parameters you have set it up. We'll take a look at that. MRP 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So you put MRP group 0020. That is make to order. So let us change it to make to stock. Okay. Then you put procurement type X. We'll change it to E, which is in-house. Then you put your planning strategy 20. Make to order. We'll change it to 10. Enter. And selection method by production version and collective requirements. Okay. That's good. Go ahead, change it. Now we'll go and try to put some planned independent requirements. Production planning, demand management, planned independent requirements, create. We want to create planned independent requirements for this material. 3000 is the planning area. So we want to create from 2702 to this is from February to April, and 2014. So you are going to see for 3 months table 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put only in the month of April for a 10 quantity. So I'm thinking that I'm going to make 10. That's the demand. Go ahead and save it. So what is going to happen now? If you go and take a look at your stock requirement list, which is MD04, if you refresh it, you'll see that. You see, you have 10, but there is no stock. So the next step would be you run MRP. MRP, planning, MD02, multi-level, single item multi-level. That's your end cap filling machine. You want planned orders, not the purchase requisitions. Change it to number 3, which is planned orders. Then you'll have schedule lines, MRP list. Planning mode is going to be number 3, delete and recreate. And the basic scheduling will be capacity planning 2. Select number 2. Then also plan unchanged components. Display results before they are saved. Display material list and enter. Please check input parameters. Hit enter. So you have a planned order already. Save it. It is planning for the next level. Raw material. Continue. Okay. So you have a lot of stock for this raw material, 98.58. So you still have a lot of stock. So it's planned for 2 components. Okay. So planning is over. So what are you going to do once the planning is over? We are going to execute. How? Come back to your MD04, refresh it. You have a planned order, correct? Double click on that planned order. Convert this planned order into production order. Convert planned order to production order. So you are converting. So you have a start date, end date, and you also have your BOM. That's your BOM. You have your routing. That's your routing. You see that? Okay, so this is BOM and this is routing. So you want to check whether you have this material available or not. How do you do that? Select this line item, click on material availability. If material is available, it's going to say the material is available. If not, it is going to say there are some missing parts. So next step would be capacity calculation. Capacity available at all your work centers. The next step would be cost calculation. The next step would be scheduling. Next step, release and save it. Okay, you have this number. So if you refresh this, this is your production order and it is released. Okay, so what will be the next step? The next step would be you need to issue the goods to this production order. So let us issue the goods to this production order. How do you do that? /nmigo. So you want to do the goods issue to an order. Your production order is, that's the order. Execute. Okay, you are going to issue this. Go ahead and save it. Okay, so goods issue is done. So if you go and take a look at /nmbe and take a look at the stock for this material, which is 6201, right? So that would be, the stock would be, the stock has come down. Okay, so the stock must have come down. You see this 30. So just now we have taken 30, so it is gone, it's reduced. This is our production order 5868. Okay, so that's an indication that the stock is depleted, stock has come down for the raw material. Okay, so the next thing, so let me put the process steps here. You are doing plan to produce, you are planning and producing it. You are doing planning as well as production. The first step is you created in MD61 planned independent requirements. Then after that you went to MD04 and you have seen them. Then after that you ran MRP MD02. Then after that you went to MD04, you converted planned order into production order. Then after that, you have released it, you have saved it, correct? Then after that, you did the goods issue, MIGO. Now you are going to do the confirmation. So let's see how to do the confirmation. Confirmation is going to be in shop floor. Confirmation, enter for operation for a time ticket, CO11N. Okay, so is this partial confirmation, final confirmation? Do you know the order number? That's the order number. Enter. So there's only one operation. You are anticipated to make 10. You made 10. There is no scrap, setup time, machine time, labor time. Everything has come. And go ahead and save it. Very good. Your confirmation is over. Now we need to receive the final product, MIGO. Goods receipt, not issue, not purchase order. That's going to be order. Control V, execute. Storage location 00001. Save it. You received the material. If you go and take a look at this guy, 10 will come here. All this will go away. Refresh. It's all gone. Stock has come. 10. You see that? So this is called plan to produce. Okay. So now, so before we sell this product, we need to make sure that we have selling price condition for this machine and cap filling. So for that, go to pricing, material pricing, and we are trying to sell this from a sales organization 3000, distribution channel 10, and the material pricing condition is PR00, and my material is end cap welding machine. I'm thinking I'm going to sell it for $2,000. Enter. So this price is good only to from today all the way to December. Save it. Okay. So I have that. Now next thing what I need to do is, do I have right division for this material? I don't remember. Yes, division 00. That's correct. So we have taken everything into consideration. Now we are going to sell this product. Sales, order, create. So we have a customer who is requesting this material, and it's a standard order. I'm selling from 3000, 10, 00, enter. The customer who is ready to take, that guy is 3,000. Thomas Bush. Okay. So Thomas Bush is the customer, and the product is handicap welding machine, and he wants to have 12 quantity, which I already have 12 quantity. So that's 3,000. Enter. Since I have already 12 quantity, I should have shipping date, and March 31st. The shipping date is, the date of delivery is confirmed for March 31st, and it's going to ship out from 3,000 shipping point. Edit incomplete log. Document is complete, and save it. Excellent. So if I go and take a look at my stock requirement list, if I refresh this, now I have an order for 12. I have stock 12. I have an order for 12. You see? So the next step would be, I'm going to go ahead and create an outbound delivery for this sales order. Go to shipping, create an outbound delivery, create single document, create with reference. So this is my sales order. The shipping point is 3,000, and the date of delivery is 31st. Enter. That's the delivery. Let's take a look at the picking. It's going to be from storage location 001. Picking is grayed out because it's a lean warehouse 3000. Go ahead and save it. We have a delivery document. Okay. Now if you go to stock overview, and if you refresh this, that has turned into delivery. Okay. Very good. So let's go back here, and outbound delivery, change, document flow. So you have already have standard order, delivery, transfer is also done. Warehouse management related transfer order is completed. So the next step would be enter, picked quantity 12, right? And the post goods issue. You are going to post the goods to the customer. So that means your inventory is gone. So go and take a look at your stock requirement list. And now if you refresh it, this line will vanish. The stock is also going to go away. You see that? Stock is gone. Correct? And stock is gone, but you still have one order, one requirement. You still have one requirement that is in the month of April. That is still there. Correct? So for this, if you run MRP, again you are going to produce. Okay? So let's do that. This would be number 3. and this would be number 2, and this would be number 3. Enter, enter. Run MRP, continue, save it, right? So now if you go again and refresh it, you again got a planned order. So it is saying you need to make it on April 3rd, you are supposed to make it. So if you want to convert that today itself, you can do so. Double click, convert that planned order into production order. That's your BOM. Select material availability check, capacity check, calculation, scheduling, releasing, save it. Now you go to MD04 and you try to refresh it. You see you have your order, correct? So the next step would be do the goods issue, not the receipt. Save it. Okay. The next is do the confirmation. $66, not partial, final confirmation. Save it. Done. Then after that, you need to receive it. We are receiving the finished product. Finished product. Storage location. Save it. Okay. Now you go to MD04, refresh. See, you have stock for 10. You have stock 10. So this is how it works. Okay. This is called plan to produce